How to cancel my free trial on Rosetta Stone. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This tutorial I'll show you how you can cancel your free trial on Rosetta Stone. To do that, in order for you to cancel your free trial, you would have to head over to your Play Store or your App Store, depending on where you got the application from. This is because for you to start your free trial, it is linked to the store where you got the application from. So let's head over to Play Store since that is where I got my application from. And so after once you're on your Play Store's page, the next step is to go to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and then click on it. So after clicking on it, you'll be brought to another page. On this page, you can see options like manage your Google account, manage apps and device, notifications and offers, payments and subscriptions. So you can just click on manage apps and devices, and here you will see the number of applications you have. Click on manage, and then you'll see your different applications as well. So scroll down until you can see Rosetta Stone, or you can search it out depending on what you want to do. Anyone is fine, just ensure that you locate the application. Once you found it, click on it, and then you see further information about the application. So once you can see that, go back to your profiles page and then click on payments and subscriptions. All right, so under here you see options like payment methods, subscriptions, budget and history, redeem code. So click on subscriptions, and then after clicking on subscriptions, you would see all of the applications that you subscribe to here and whose free trial you're on. All right, for me, I'm not yet on my Rosetta Stone free trial. That is why it's not available here. Well, once your free trial is active, you'll see it here. So just click on it. For example, this is another application. So once you click on the Rosetta Stone application, you will be brought to another page where you see details about your about the application, the time that your subscription will be renewed and all of that. So just scroll down where you can see the option cancel subscription. All right, and then just click on it. Once you click on cancel subscription, a list of questions would be displayed. What is making you cancel? Is it that you don't use this service enough, or is it technical issues, or you found a better app, or you don't want to answer? Just click on it and then click on continue, and you would see another option that your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period, etc, etc. Click on cancel subscription if you still want to cancel it, and then just like that, your subscription would be cancelled and your free trial would end. This is how you can end your free trial or cancel your free trial on Rosetta Stone. So ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thank you for watching and have a good day.